I just came across a YouTube channel that went from completely unknown to 320,000 subscribers in just 7 weeks. And get this, every single video is AI generated. No camera crew, no filming, just smart strategy and automation. Launched on December 8th, 2024, this channel has already racked up over 578 million views with only 36 videos. That's not just viral, that's algorithm domination. I dug into their monetization and it's wild. They're making an estimated $1,500 to $6,000 every month from ad revenue alone, all from their laptop. The best part? You don't need to be a tech wizard. If you've got an internet connection and a bit of creativity, you can build something just like this. AI is leveling the playing field. The content, absolutely heart-melting. I decided to look into it and found that their videos are actually quite straightforward. They feature an adorable little girl who steals things, gets caught, is chased, but somehow manages to come out on top. Each clip is really short, around 15 seconds or less. So what makes these videos so addictive? Two main things: that playful little girl and the way the stolen items magically keep growing bigger and bigger. It's hard not to keep watching. You're probably wondering now, is creating this type of video... Now, I know you've probably seen tutorials on making AI videos before, but this one's different. It's clean, it's simple, and it walks you through exactly how to create these videos from start to finish. Stick around, because this could be your first step into building something big, right from your bedroom. And hey, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the rest of this series. Let's dive in and get creating. But before proceeding to the tutorial, if you've been dreaming about launching your own faceless YouTube channel but don't know where to start, this is your moment. I've created the YouTube automation blueprint that shows you exactly how to go from $0 to $10,000 a month without showing your face, using your voice, or spending countless hours stuck editing. This isn't just another generic guide. Inside, I break down the exact system I use, step by step. How to find high-paying, untapped niches. The script formula that actually retains viewers, my secret workflow to automate videos without losing quality, and even the tools I use to create cinematic visuals and emotional voiceovers without ever recording a single word. Best part? It's just $20. One-time payment, lifetime-owned products. So if you're serious about building a profitable, low-effort YouTube channel in a timeless niche like AI niches, explainer video, or wisdom storytelling, click the link in the description, grab the blueprint. First, we need a story. Don't worry, I've got you covered. I've already prepared some sample stories and a Google Doc. Just click the Telegram channel link in the video description and you'll find everything you need right there. Next, head over to ChatGPT. Copy and paste the prompt I provided. Make sure to copy the entire prompt, then paste it into ChatGPT. Once pasted, click Generate, and ChatGPT will produce a full prompt for generating image prompts for video animation using Kling AI. ChatGPT instantly gives us brand new stories tailored for this niche. You can either use my sample or create your own. Pick your favorite and start generating images. Let's use my sample for now. ChatGPT's image generation is pretty solid. Adding a few simple instructions helps keep everything consistent. And those yellowish tones you see in the viral videos? Yep, they most likely use ChatGPT generated images too. Back to ChatGPT. Click Create Images, then paste the Scene 1 prompt. Don't forget to add the 9:16 ratio so it fits YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels perfectly. Once you finalize the full prompt for Scene 1, click Generate, and within seconds you'll get your image. Not bad, right? That's Scene 1 done. Now repeat the same process for Scene 2. Paste the prompt into ChatGPT, making sure it starts with Create Image and includes the full scene prompt. Again, don't forget the 9:16 ratio. As you'll see, the result is pretty amazing. For Scene 3, be sure to include this specific instruction. The girl dashes through a hallway while holding a slightly bigger, glowing magical chocolate bar. Also, the prompt should include the phrase, consistent with the previous picture, to ensure visual continuity. I didn't include that in the sample video because this is just an example to show you how to generate your own scenes. But in my case, the results still came out consistent from scene 1 to scene 2, thanks to ChatGPT's generation. Repeat this process for all scenes until they're all ready. Next step, turning those images into a video. I use Kling AI, my go-to for AI video animation. You can use it for free, and I also made a full tutorial on how to unlock unlimited credits with Kling AI. You'll find that video in the top right corner pop-up of this video. Even without a paid plan, Kling gives you 166 credits during the free trial, which is good for several generations. First, click Video on the left panel. Make sure to select Kling 1.6 as the version. Upload the image generated from ChatGPT. Then, add the animation prompt. You can also add a negative prompt to avoid glitches or awkward results. If you're unsure what to write, just copy the negative prompt I provided in the resources. Once you're happy with everything, click Generate. Here's a pro tip. Generate videos in the morning hours based on your country's time zone, around 7 a.m. to 12 p.m. That's when Kling usually processes videos faster. Just repeat this process for all scenes until you've got everything from scene 1 to scene 7. If you're not happy with a generated image, just regenerate it. The more you repeat this process, the better the AI becomes at generating consistent outputs. Quick Kling AI camera tip. Use camera directions to boost animation quality. For running scenes, use a tracking shot to keep it dynamic. For slow walking, use handheld camera style to add a subtle shake and realism. For final scenes, use a surround shot to make the moment feel joyful and complete. And here's all the final result. Final step, editing the video. Open CapCut and import all your video clips from Kling AI. Make sure you know the correct sequence of the story. Zoom in slightly to remove Kling AI watermarks. Just scale the clips up. Adjust the clip lengths to match the scene pacing. Then, add sound effects and background music. Get sound effects from Pixabay and copyright-free music from YouTube Studio. Drag all the clips into the timeline in the correct order. Add your downloaded sound effects and make sure they match the scene. Don't forget to include background music. Finally, add a black fade transition between clips. This small touch helps improve your video's retention rate. After aligning everything, select all sound effects. Right-click and choose Compound Clip to group them. Take a moment to review the video and check for any errors. Once you're satisfied, export the final video in 2K resolution at 60 frames per second and make sure to rename the file. Done. That's how easy it is to make a full video like this. Before I show you the final result, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow and motivates me to make more AI YouTube automation tutorials like this. Now, here's the final result. Enjoy.
Wow!